Example 5. You want to solve this by completing the square. Okay? That 60, let's get it out of the way. Okay? We are not doing anything with it, we are just parking it. Now the 16 here, you need 1/2 of that, which is 8, and then the 8 squared is 64. This trinomial is a perfect square. On the right you have 4. You have a square equals a quantity. Take the square root of both sides. X plus 8 is plus or minus 2. Again, let me emphasize this was 1 times x squared. And your solution is negative 8 plus 2 or negative 8 minus 2. Down here again, park the 50. Subtract 50 from both sides. 1/2 of 16 is 8. 8 squared is 64. You come out with 14. The square root of which is square root of 14, plus or minus that after you take the square root. And then subtract 8, which leaves you with 8 plus square root of 14, and negative 8 minus square root of 14. Solutions which lead to the quadratic formula. No. 3x squared, park the negative 7, divide by 3. I have an equation, so I can divide by 3. If I didn't have an equation, I would add and subtract the same number I need. So park the 7, divide by 3. 1/2, the coefficient of x is 5/6. You also need 5/6 quantity squared, which is right here. And on the right side, you want to get the same denominator. You want to add the fractions. Then you want to take the square root of both sides. X plus 5/6 equals plus or minus square root of 109/6 after you take out the 6 from the 36. You happen to have the same denominator. You can combine the numerators, the two terms in the numerator over the same denominator. If you understand these steps, you should not have a lot of difficulty developing the famous quadratic formula. Let's do some exercises.